Hey, good day. Joe Van Orsdol with Right Home Inspections again. Today's my video day, I guess. This is the third one I've done today. Looking at some windows here. We've got a bow window here on dining room, and you can see that at the top of the window there's very little overhang where the roof sticks out over the windows, and of course there's no gutter there. And there's just no protection. So these windows are wood sashes in an aluminum frame, but you can see at the bottom these wood sashes are totally shot. So this one is really bad. The other ones are starting to go. So all 5 of these window sashes are going to need to be replaced, which might require replacing the whole window, which is going to be a major project. So just another reason to have a professional do a home inspection before you buy it, and another reason for a thorough home inspection with Right Home Inspections. That's all for now.